Okay, I'm just getting ready. I have to leave very soon for dinner. We're going out for dinner tonight for David, who is my Toronto business partner. It was his birthday on Monday, so me and him and our other friend Justin, who does my hair extensions, are all going out to dinner, and I'm just doing a quick little thermo brush. Guys, this, once you get the hang of it, it is so easy. I did a tutorial yesterday while I was doing PR all day, and we were waiting for my next client to show up, or my next appointment, like interview. And so my PR girl, Amy, that's what we'll call her. My PR agent, I don't know. Anyway, I did one side for her, and then I got her to do the other side. She actually has it down pat. If it gets caught, pinch and pull, okay? Not supposed to look like a curling iron. It's not supposed to give you the look of curled hair. It's supposed to just give you like a soft, bouncy blowout look. Like it's like you've gone to the salon for a blow dry, and it smooths everything out so much. Okay, guys, this is the dress that or like skirts that I'm wearing. It's pouring rain, but I don't have anything else to wear, so that's what we're wearing.